Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the possible third reason why you can't lose weight, and that is cortisol. Now remember, I said hidden cause because many times the doctor you are seeing will not pick up on these causes. And there are two main reasons for this. Number one, not running the proper tests. And in your doctor's defense, this is all about training. When you are trained in drug treatments and disease treatment, and the experts that you rely on for training are experts in drug training. This is why I've seen patients that have been to the Mayo Clinic, they couldn't be helped until they found us. So not running the test from a functional perspective as opposed to a drug or disease treatment perspective, that's number one. Number two, the lab ranges. Again, we're looking at doctors that are trained in pathology, they're trained in treating diseases. And they're comparing you to sick people. And then what we like to do is look at function and look at health and compare you to healthy people. This is why your test may be normal, but you still feel bad. So back to cortisol. Cortisol is produced by the adrenal glands, and they sit right on top of the kidneys. Your adrenal glands are your stress glands and have a few functions. So when you're exposed to long-term chronic stress, the gland can get overwhelmed, and production of cortisol is an indication of the function of the adrenal glands. And one of the problems that can happen is excess cortisol can result in production of excess cytokines. This can inhibit the pituitary from producing proper thyroid-stimulating hormone. And this can create a thyroid imbalance, which is going to contribute to weight gain. One of the tests I run in my practice is called an adrenal stress index to determine adrenal function. Now, when you have adrenal dysfunction, it can cause other problems. So a nice side effect is not only do you get your thyroid better, you get your weight start to come off, but other areas like your adrenal glands get better, and this can affect hormones and a lot of other areas. So again, the third reason you can't lose weight could be cortisol. In the next part of this series, I'll talk about the possible fourth hidden cause of your thyroid problem, and that is dopamine. So, once again, this is Dr. Scott. Good talking with you today. See you on the next part of the series.